Thank you, Anthony. To other news, a crisis is emerging in Jamaica's education sector as too few students are qualifying for entry into tertiary institutions, particularly in science and technology fields. Jamaica could face a shortage of scientists, engineers, and technology professionals in the years ahead, as fewer students are qualifying for tertiary education. That warning from President of the University of Technology, Dr. Kevin Brown, during the launch of the institution's 2026 STEM Summer Camp. The program is aimed at reigniting student interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics amid declining enrollment in STEM-related fields. Dr. Brown says the country cannot afford to ignore the trend, warning that too few students are meeting the requirements for higher education.
We have a situation where 30,000 high schoolers take CSEC, 30,000. Sound like a big number? It is a big number. Only 6,000 get 5 passes with maths and English included. Only 6,000. So now here's the challenge. You will want some. You will take one some, CMU one some. Out of the 6,000, we're all fighting over the 6,000. The Teachers College want some.
The UTEC president says programs like STEM Summer Camp are critical to engaging students early through hands-on learning, innovation, and problem-solving activities. The camp targets high school students, with organizers hoping to make STEM subjects more interesting, accessible, and relevant to everyday life.
UTEC alone want 3,000. That's half the amount that qualify. So you have a pipeline issue.
The initiative also seeks to better prepare students for a digital and technology-driven job market while building a stronger pipeline of qualified applicants for universities. The 2026 STEM Summer Camp is the third staging of the program.
We need to encourage young people before they consider coming to UTEC to focus on STEM. For Jamaica to become a STEM country, which is the ambition, it has to pivot towards math. Not for you to count your money, but to ensure that we have students who are mathematicians who will then use maths as a foundation to become scientists, to become technologists, to become engineers.